When we see something as a problem to be fixed, we're actually oriented to the problem, not actually oriented to what outcome we want to create. And they're very different frames, and they lead us down a very different path. So if we fix problems, what we typically do is we reach into our past experience and bring that past experience and apply it to this scenario. So the problem orientation actually means that we reach into what we already know in order to find a solution. Whereas when we shift to this notion of what do we want to create, it opens up the space and we can actually create new possibilities, things that we have never thought of before, things that we haven't ever created before. And so it opens up a whole different orientation. Anytime a pattern is repeating itself, it's a solution for something. It serves a purpose. And even though we don't think it makes sense, we can even ask that question, what makes it make sense? And then that will start getting us to think about it from non-conventional ways of thinking about it. And so we're straight away into an innovative frame of mind. If we start thinking more about signal than about problem, that takes us in a very different direction, and it leads us towards breakthrough innovation.
I think the hardest thing for people to understand is the shift in mindset that's required to become a more neutral observer of the field that we're operating in, as opposed to the identification of I'm here to solve the issue. So how do we shift in mindset from fix it, solution oriented to an emergent mindset? How do I just observe the field, notice what's here, notice where we're moving? But it's not an easy thing for people to shift in.